Here I come.
Aha!
Hey! Now listen here, mister. I don't mean no trouble.
Go back into your own console!
But sir, I doesn't even have my own console. We're multi-platform now.
Knuckles?
It must be a Mario. He take racing too seriously.
He takes everything too seriously.
You motherfuckers invite non-Nintendo characters onto my track?
Oh, this is auto racing.
Holy shit! He's killing all the non-Nintendo racers!
What is he? Some kind of racist?
You're not Nintendo! You're Pretendo! You're all race traitors! Oh my god! Ah! I'm fucking going to my ass! Ah! 23 years of jumping barrels. 23 fucking years! Oh god! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Luigi!
Coming for you, nigga.
Wait, Mario, think of our history.
So, you like it to go fast, huh?
All right, I caught it. Now it's mine and I can force it to do whatever I want.
Mario, stop! We're brothers! I have no brother.
Mario!
Oh shit, it's Kratos! Fuck you, Kratos! You PlayStation characters never learn! Suck my mushroom tip, you fucking son of a pig! Oh, hey Mario! Nintendo!
Ooh!